guys, so we just quickly did this Lamborghini Gallardo. We did green belts and it looks really amazing. So we're gonna go drop this car off and pick up another one, but check out how it turned out. It matches the outside perfectly, and I think the customer is really gonna like it, so. All right guys, so we'll be back in a bit with another car. Hear this car slap. It has a big boom box in the back. I mean the rear view mirror shakes. Alright, so now that the seatbelts are done, we're gonna go drop this off. Look at that, they were just dirty, the old ones. And that's it. It took us like a couple hours. We are done. We're gonna go drop off the car. See you in just a bit. Alright guys, so we are back next morning after doing the Impala and doing the shoot, what car did we do? That's right, I remembered. We did the Gallardo. After doing those two cars yesterday, it is the next morning. Today, we picked up the Range Rover and we are gonna be changing the whole interior because it has this just plain blue, kind of mixed feelings on it, but we're gonna be changing it to black and red, might match a little more. And then, after we finish this, we're gonna pick up a sick car about an hour and a half away from here. We can't say whose it is, but he does play for the Giants. And when I say Giants, I mean San Francisco Giants. Welcome back, guys. It is day 2 of us working on the Range Rover. I'm actually not sitting in a Range Rover. I'll tell you guys about the car that I'm sitting in just a bit here, but it is day 2 of us working on the Range Rover. And what we were able to do is pull out all of the seats, get off most of the blue off all the door panels because we're just going to leave those black. All the seats taken apart already, and some pieces actually have been made. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. And let's continue working on this, and hopefully we'll have it done in the next couple days here. This new project that I'm sitting in here, this car is something else. We picked it up yesterday from a baseball player. So we're gonna be doing Starlight in it. Comment down below if you think you know what car I'm sitting in. I won't show you yet, but stay tuned for the next video, and you guys are gonna see us start taking this thing apart and putting a Starlight in it. It's gonna be sick. See you soon.